When internal teams are buried under repetitive login resets, printer errors, and vendor troubleshooting, long-term strategic projects stall. Dominic St. Pierre, Technology Alignment Manager at NetAccess Systems, emphasizes this challenge. When internal teams get buried under the noise of daily troubleshooting, strategic progress stops entirely. When support lacks clear ownership, minor technical glitches escalate into costly operational delays, forcing staff into unproductive workarounds and leaving finance teams with unpredictable emergency expenses. Proactive managed IT services shift an organization from reactive firefighting to structured oversight by continuously analyzing ticket patterns, verifying remote backups, optimizing network performance, and managing vendor relationships to prevent finger-pointing. This proactive approach delivers predictable monthly costs, streamlines cloud and phone infrastructure management, and ensures business continuity plans are rigorously tested before an outage occurs. Whether supporting or augmenting an existing internal team, a co-managed or fully managed IT model establishes accountable operational boundaries and reduces daily friction. To learn how to transform your technology operations into a strategic business driver, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.